It's Rhonda, and I work at Earthworks, but I'm here at my own home today, and I wanted to show you some annuals that I purchased. I hadn't purchased a lot of annuals in the past, sticking mostly with perennials, things that would come back year after year, thinking that I would get more bang for my buck that way, and that kind of may be the case, but this past spring, early this spring, we got these beautiful Impatiens in at the garden center. They came in trays, little 4-inch containers in trays. I think I bought 10. The whole tray I think was 10 little 4-inch Impatiens. I loved this color. I knew that it would be striking, it would be fun, it would bring me happiness when I saw it. And so I put these in, and it's right under my daughter's bedroom. And this is just so much fun. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I spent 20 bucks or something on these 10 little 4-inch Impatiens, but look how much they've spread and bloomed. They just continuously bloom. And this is kind of a dead space. It's facing the east, and it gets like, this space gets no sun at all. But the Impatiens love the shade. So they're doing great here. And I hope that they reseed and spread and, you know, do their thing. And then, you know, if they don't come back next spring, I'll just get some more and maybe mix it up with some white next year, get some of this orange maybe and some white. But this has been a lot of fun, and it wasn't a big investment, but it's definitely brought me way, way more joy than I was expecting. So come on in and see us at the garden center. We're there every single day from 9 to 5, except Sundays. We're there from 10 to 5. Check out the annuals. We have so many. It's a great way to put some nice color, either in the shade or the sun. We have different varieties for those different needs that you have. Come on in and see us. I'd love to help you.